Hello and welcome to the first episode of a new series of cooking programs called Jem's Kitchen.
Hello, I'm Jem and this is Fatboy.
Okay, what's our first recipe for today?
Well, today, Fatboy, we are going to make something called a Lahmacun.
Okay, what's the origin?
Well, it's originally from Turkey. It's a pizza-like kind of food. It's originally made in like stone oven. But today we are going to show you how to make it at home.
Okay, let's go.
Let's do it. Okay, first of all we're going to start off by making the base for the Lahmacun. Take half a glass of lukewarm water and add a pack of yeast.
That's about 16 grams, yeah?
Correct. And a pinch of salt. And stir for 3 minutes. Take a large bowl. Place the flour in the bowl. Like so. Make a well. Pour the yeast and flour mixture in the centre. And also 30 ml of milk. Mix that together until you get a good mixture. Okay. When it's smooth, start kneading for 10 minutes.
Okay, once the kneading is complete, we need to leave the dough to rise in a small bowl covered with a damp cloth.
Once the dough has risen, we're going to give it a quick punch down, split it into 2 equal parts and leave it to rise yet again. Just a quick one, and then split it into 2 parts and leave it to rise yet again. Like so. There's one. And there's our second one.
While the dough for the base has been left to rise, we're going to work on the topping. So the first thing to do is to heat up a wok and add a bit of olive oil. Once the wok is hot, we're going to add in our minced lamb. Okay, once the lamb is browned off, we're going to add in our other ingredients for the topping. So next up is a diced onion. So we do that until the onions are slightly what? Slightly brown? Or
Just until
Until
they
the onions
cooked a bit.
are lightly cooked.
Yeah.
Once the onions are sufficiently cooked, we need to add in our chopped tomato. Mix that in well. This is adding in a bit more liquids into the topping. Once that's mixed in, we're going to add in some spring onion for a bit of flavour. This is not a standard recipe, but it's a little extra bit we've added. And add in some chopped up chili peppers. This is the bit that gives the topping an extra kick.
Add a pinch of salt.
Add a pinch of salt to taste, really. I mean, some people prefer not to add it at all.
Once the dough is ready, grab some flour and sprinkle it on the surface and roll your dough out to approximately the size of a plate. And finish rolling out so it's roughly about this size. And then you're ready to cook it. Once you've rolled out the dough, place it in the pan and cook it until it's browned. Once you've cooked the base, add the topping and roll it up like so. There you have it, Lahmacun.